Hi everyone. Today I'd like to introduce to you the series of BENEX LED searchlight. Our searchlight has an unique zoom-in zoom-out switch design, simply through the form structure of the left and right rotating to provide a flat or focus spin type for different situations. Strong and solid material appearance, resistant to impact or dropping. Four-way switch, high, mid, low, blinking. The multi-angle grip can be placed on the ground to illuminate different areas to help illuminate at work. Two positions, either like this, 60 degrees, or like this, 35 degrees. The built-in lithium battery is recharged through the attached micro USB cable, which you can find it in this storage box. 5 different sizes and weight, providing different brightness and different lighting ranges for you to choose according to your specific needs and prices. They are therefore not only popular among rescue and security forces, but also among fans of the outdoors, hunters, and anglers. Thank you for watching. For more information, please get on to our website at